Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful episode. Gist don relax, make I gist you because this one go make you laugh. For those of una wey dey fear concerning this strike by NLC and TUC, make una relax. The strike is not going to hold again. At least they have started doing something about it. Now, Festus Keyamo fined 10 million naira and was also disgraced by Atiku, the former vice president of Nigeria and the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party on this just concluded election. Case where Festus Keyamo carry go court on top of Atiku head, na court fling. Court fling am. That one no be my problem be that one. On top of that one, now they come fine am 10 million naira. And as the 10 million naira take there, they no even allow am make e land. They don't share am finish. As I talk to you now, the 10 million naira don't finish upon landing. Say Atiku go take 5 million naira, ICPC go take. But another thing when the vex me be say, every time Festus Keyamo, una not say na senior advocate now that they talk to like this. Now I say okay, make I even do a little research concerning him. Now I can't enter Google, come go type. How many cases has Festus Keyamo won? Now I see I'm like the first tweet come show from Olufolabi. Now there the tweet come declare me say out of 23 cases, he lost 19. Come withdraw from 2. Come win 2. That is 2-2. No wahala. In take 2. Come base from 2. But no be there the tweet stop. Oh. He come dey ask, is he brilliant or questionable? Now I say, now me go answer that question. You know even stop there. The tweet come continue say, now from there he make his money and he allegedly buy something. No be for my mouth una go see am now. Now una dey see so. I no even wan cause wahala here because if I bring the comment wey dey on top of that tweet, if you go down that tweet and see comment, you go laugh tire. In fact, for the reply wey Atiku give am after they find am that 10 million naira and the thing wey happen between him and Atiku and all that tweets wey dey on top of them.
Okay, thank you so much for joining us again this Tuesday. Now, former Vice President and the presidential candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the latest election, Atiku Abubakar, is advising former Junior Minister of Labour, Festus Keyamo, to trash his law degree and venture fully into the role of an influencer on social media. This is coming as the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja dismissed Keyamo's suit seeking to arrest and prosecute Atiku over alleged money laundering while in office as Obasanjo's vice president. He's been asked to pay 5 million naira to Atiku and another 5 million naira to ICPC on the grounds that his petition to the EFCC, the Code of Conduct Bureau, and other anti-graft agencies on the matter is frivolous, vexatious, and an abuse of court processes. Now, responding to the ruling, Festus Keyamo Chambers, on behalf of Festus Keyamo, their client, says they do not agree with the reasons the presiding judge, Justice James Omotosho, gave for his decision and will therefore go ahead and make an appeal. Now, reacting to Frank Shoaibu, who on behalf of Atiku issued the statement of trashing Keyamo's law degree to allow him become a pure social media influencer, this user would say that, this is what Frank Shoaibu says, and he says, Keyamo's incompetence has been confirmed by Justice Omotosho. One wonders how he was elevated to the rank of a senior advocate. Despite several clarifications that the allegations leveled against Atiku were trumped up, Keyamo refused to listen to reason. And he says Keyamo made a name for himself by constantly filing frivolous suits in order to entertain the media. He needs to throw his law certificate into the dustbin so he can face his job as a social media influencer. Ebube reacting to this, presenting him with a dustbin, and he says, I support Atiku with full chest on this. Festus Keyamo, the dustbin has been delivered. Well, Hafizi tells Festus Keyamo when former Speaker Honorable Yakubu Dogara said, "You don't know anything about politics. You boast to the public that you are a senior advocate of Nigeria. With this judgment, I think you should do what Atiku said honorably, charge and bail lawyer." For freedom, he says, wait, oh, now my dear Festus Keyamo, una dey rub for poto like this. And well, in defense of Keyamo is POS man who says, useless. I may not be his supporter, but I won't call his law degree useless. But then Festus Keyamo's chamber has also reacted, and they said that we are immediately filing an appeal against the said decision to the Court of Appeal as the struggle on this issue continues. Apparently, he's not satisfied with what the court has said on this and will therefore go ahead to appeal, as he said.